All right, so I'm gonna show you how to mix Jersey Club. Now, honestly, I wouldn't be the best person to learn how to mix. You know what I'm saying? But this is how I do it. You know what I'm saying? So this is how it sounds right now. It sounds pretty good already. That's what I'm gonna do. I have each one on one, like the instrumental on one, vocals on two, and I'm pretty sure the drums are on three. I might change since they're two different 808s. I'm gonna put the other one on four and put this on five. Just want everything on the channel. And you're gonna bring all of these down, and then start with the 808. Then bring your instrumental. You don't want it too loud. Probably gonna add an EQ to it a little bit, just to get out all that low. Now the vocals. I'm gonna do this sample right here, and we should be good. I don't want to tune the mix, so I think this is fine. And I'm gonna put the delay first. You want the reverb after the delay. Mixing Jersey Club isn't hard at all. You just need to level everything correctly. You know what I'm saying? Make sure nothing's clipping, stuff like that. And then after that, you can go in like your mastering phase. But honestly, I don't really care about all that because it's Jersey Club. Just make sure it sounds good, loud. You know what I'm saying? Like if it's too low, just turn it up. So I don't know. Like honestly, with Jersey Club, it really doesn't matter. People like they like very loud things on Jersey Club, so don't stress mixing too much. It's not like every other genre. You're pretty much free to do anything. That's why like this video is kind of short because like nobody really cares. So